Terrel and Nola Davis, and we love to come up this canyon. This time we've only come up a little ways, so no pine trees.
Here you are next to the brook.
And here's this incredible sliced off mountain. Videos don't do it justice how tall it is. And here's the babbling brook. Look at the babbling brook. And there's lots of junipers around. And scrub oak. I actually think this one is an apple tree. Not sure. She looks like it could be an apple tree. Anyway, graffiti. I wonder what that is. I wonder what that used to be. Even in St. Pete, they have some graffiti. Anyway, we love it down here. Bye-bye.